Let's get more on this run in chips and bring in Patrick Moorhead of Moorhead Insights and Strategy. Patrick, thanks for joining us.
Great to be here. Thank you.
What do you make of the chip run?
A lot of people say it's too hot, but I just think it's just beginning here. I mean, the only place that we've seen heat is in hyperscaler data centers. We haven't even touched the enterprise data center, the enterprise edge, and we've seen no impact at the device level, not even including robotics. So I think we're at the beginning of a massive 5-year run here, and this is just the beginning.
It's Karen, thanks for being on. So we talked a little bit a week or two ago about enterprise is really not even on the sort of the landscape, or people don't focus on it. It could potentially be bigger than hyperscalers, possibly, or a very significant chunk. How big do you think that could be?
It's a $1 trillion opportunity, and what's happening is enterprises are a little slower getting adoption because they have technical debt that they have to figure out. They need to get their data planes figured out. They need to figure out how to run AI inside of their data centers. We believe that this will start to hit big in the second half of 26. I don't think we need to get ahead of ourselves here, but you're gonna see companies like HPE, companies like HP, PC companies, and even those who operate on the edge, let's say, who are building out new types of manufacturing facilities, new types of distribution facilities. Although I don't agree with everything NVIDIA says or they bring out, I do believe that the enterprise and the enterprise edge are the next waves that will hit. I don't think we're going to see this massive slowdown in hyperscalers either. This is the biggest opportunity since the internet, which I was part of, working for a tech company. We saw the bust, but I don't think it's going to happen here because of the pilots and the new applications that are scaling currently.
Patrick, Intel had a day today. Is there a scenario where they have a meaningful move in the stock price over the next 6 to 9 months?
Short answer is yes. I mean, they're trading below book value. I mean, you could literally sell everything they have, pay everybody off, and it's undervalued. If they get one anchor tenant announced for their foundry, that would absolutely send Intel skyrocketing. I do think that there is something to the trade negotiations with China related somehow to the NVIDIA pop that we saw today. I haven't able to specifically identify it, but when you sit back and think about what does the administration truly want, they need a strong Intel, and I do believe that the administration will make moves that will put them in the driver's seat. And whether that's a China investment in Intel, potentially making Huawei chips at Intel, I know it's hard to imagine that, but that would be able to cool off the tensions as we move forward. What Intel has to show first, though, is that it can, at scale, run chips through its own what's called 18A process and improve their gross margin, which gives them then a larger chance of getting the big deals, getting the Qualcomms, getting the Apples, and getting the NVIDIAs to run through their factories.